Are you looking for the best vacuum cupping sets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best vacuum cupping sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cupluw 24 Cup Vacuum Cupping Therapy Set. Experience the transformative power of the Cupluw 24 Cup Vacuum Cupping Therapy Set. This innovative system merges magnetic therapy with vacuum suction, offering an effective solution for cellulite reduction and muscle pain relief. With a diverse range of 24 cups, a hand pump, magnetic points, and a gua sha tool, you can customize your therapy to fit your needs. Using this set is simple. Begin by applying a light oil to your skin, then create suction with the pump. Keep the cups in place for 10 to 15 minutes before releasing pressure using the orange valve. This method not only enhances circulation but also alleviates joint pain and reduces the appearance of cellulite, promoting overall health and well-being. The durable PS material ensures that the cups can withstand heat and impacts, making them a long-lasting addition to your wellness routine. However, users should handle the pump carefully to prevent air leakage and avoid bathing for 8 hours after treatment for optimal results. Number 2. Cupluw 32 Cup Professional Massage Cupping Kit. Experience the transformative power of the Cupluw 32 Cup Professional Massage Cupping Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for both massage therapists and fitness enthusiasts, providing a range of cup sizes to cater to various body contours. With 32 cups in 6 sizes, including specialized U-shaped options, you can effectively target curved areas for precise treatment. Cupping therapy helps alleviate muscle pain, reduce cellulite, and enhance recovery. The durable, heat-resistant PS material ensures long-lasting use while maintaining strong suction. Simply utilize the vacuum pump and extension tube for easy application. This kit is perfect for those who seek to integrate cupping therapy into their wellness routine. Maintenance is simple. Cups can be easily sterilized after use. For optimal results, apply essential oils and let the cups sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep in mind that users should refrain from bathing or swimming for 8 hours post-treatment to maximize benefits. Number 3. Professional Cupping Set 17 Cups Made in Korea. Unlock the benefits of cupping therapy with the Professional Cupping Set made in Korea. This versatile set features 17 cups in various sizes, ideal for targeting specific areas like the neck, shoulders, and back. Whether you're a therapist or an individual, this set provides the perfect tools for effective treatment. Designed for easy use, the set includes 13 2-inch cups and 4 smaller cups ranging from 1.1 to 1.8 inches. The included pistol grip hand pump allows for precise control, enabling you to customize the suction according to your needs. An extension tube enhances accessibility, making it easier to reach different body parts. Maintenance is simple. Just clean the cups with warm soapy water after use. The professional carrying case keeps everything organized and makes transport effortless. A concise 1-page manual helps you start your cupping journey quickly, ensuring you can enjoy the benefits at home or in practice. Number 4. DEFUNX 19-Piece Cupping Therapy Massage Set. Experience the benefits of cupping therapy with the DEFUNX 19-Piece Cupping Therapy Massage Set. This thoughtfully designed set is perfect for anyone seeking to relieve pain, enhance muscle relaxation, and boost blood circulation. With 19 durable cups in various sizes, you can target specific areas effectively, whether at home or in a professional setting. The included hand vacuum pump allows for adjustable suction, enabling personalized treatment tailored to your comfort. The 27-inch extension tube makes self-application convenient and user-friendly, ensuring that you can easily reach all areas of your body. Maintaining this set is simple. Just remember to clean your skin thoroughly before use and follow the provided instructions for safe techniques. Post-treatment care is crucial. Refrain from bathing, swimming, or drinking for 8 hours to maximize results. The DEFUNX set comes with a gua sha tool, adding an extra dimension to your wellness routine. Enjoy the unique benefits of cupping therapy and take a step towards improved health and vitality. Number 5. Myofascial Releaser Professional Cupping Therapy Set. Unlock the power of myofascial therapy with the Myofascial Releaser Professional Cupping Therapy Set. Designed for both therapists and wellness enthusiasts, this set enhances recovery and relaxation. With 18 multi-sized polycarbonate cups, it caters to various treatment needs. The cups, made from durable and high-quality materials, ensure longevity and reliable performance. They promote blood flow, lymphatic drainage, and muscle recovery, effectively reducing fatigue and tension. The set includes 2 hand pumps, an extension tube, and a plastic carry case for easy storage and travel. To further enhance your therapy sessions, the kit features 12 magnets for magnetic therapy and a detailed instruction booklet that simplifies the learning process. While the hand pumps may take a little practice to master, the results they deliver are worth the effort. This comprehensive set is perfect for both home use and professional environments. Experience the unique benefits of cupping therapy and elevate your wellness routine.